you think of dried seahorse?
What's it do?
Supposed to
You have a car in here? You know, 2 years ago, I was a stockbroker in Central. Now I press a button to get your car out.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yi, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. If we boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh yeah?
What do you think of Chu Mei?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie. What's all the crap in the back?
The haul from my last score, baby.
Haul? What haul?
Tires, CRT monitors, a whole bunch of stuff.
Who the hell steals CRT monitors?
Gotta be worth something, right? Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running. Come and get me!
There's more of them! Like that, huh? How you like that? Hey, you are hardcore. You beat those guys like it was nothing. The watches should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, they're taking off with the goods. Go, 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 man. Run them off the road. Don't let him get away, man. Faster, man. Oh, shit. That's our whole score driving away.
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Hurry up, man. They're getting away. That's them. Get them, get them, get them. Ram him. Take out his car. Yeah, hit him, man. Whoa. We did it, man. We did it. Hang on. I'll go get the watches.
Let's go, Jackie. Hurry it up.
Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's Rated Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive! Where'd they come from? Then why can't they just leave us alone?
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, poor guy, but he has friends in high places.
He's a piece of shit.
Don't be afraid of him.
Man, wait, you just got back. Get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses that way.
Listen, there comes a time you gotta stand up to guys like that no matter who's backing them. What caused the bad blood?
Don't know. They used to be tight, though. Hard to believe Dog Eyes would turn on a friend like that.
He always was a shit, even when we were kids. So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So, Nola.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.